Yes, this is a real trick, and yes, it's oddly mesmerizing.
Wow.
Dude. So it does work on all chickens.
What if we erase it?
Focus lost immediately, and it's completely understandable. Best pig disguise attempt of the year, and he still failed.
It's just me! It's just me!
Ignoring a horse's warning is a bold choice. Now that's one mishap the farm won't be forgetting in a hurry.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
Now that's spectacular acting by Steven. This will be a long incident report.
All right, Dad, stand back. I want them to come up round there. Stop them, Jamie! No, you idiot! What are you doing?
Moving cows is simple in theory, but wild in practice.
Mum! Mum!
Well, boys, I sent her a little too far.
Precision driving with heavy machinery leaves very little room for error. And this proves it.
Radiator's good.
The worst part of farming? Equipment failure. When the other cows start judging your choices, it's time to reflect.
Now you're on the wrong side.
The guard did its job, but the sheep did not get the memo.
Nope, you're on the wrong side of the fence. Now go out. Yeah, go right there.
Машинная ферма. Наша
A single pair of mice can produce dozens of offspring in a year under the right conditions, so this checks out.
Бесплатно. Ой. Ё-моё.
Buenas tardes, perdona, ¿para Bolonia? Vaya, venga.
Best GPS on the farm by far.
Ole, qué buena enterepaquita.
That tractor is telling you it needs to retire. Quad tracks exist specifically to not get stuck, so this is incredible. When a bad day keeps getting worse. Ears back on a llama is basically a red alert siren.
Did it just spit on you? Someone's wiping on me. Someone's on me. Uh-oh. Oh no. What have I done?
Congratulations on your new job. The pay is in wool.
I know you didn't do that.
That's some really questionable decision making right there.
Oh, you're actually stuck, huh? You're like stuck. How did you do this? Why would you do that?
He's not doing nothing.
This is impressive. In a bad way. Now they're playing pranks? Unbelievable.
Chill. Yo, hey. Hey. You're gonna stay right there.
Red crown, white body, black tail. Danger, danger, danger.
What the
Oh my god! Joey.
Goats are known for their curiosity and mischief, often described as the class clowns of the farm. How did he even get up there?
Oh, Carol, why? You weren't like this earlier. Now you're stuck, Carol. All right, well, let's get her unstuck. Can I put this horn down instead of trying to pull it straight out? But you can get that horn onto that. I think we'll be all right. There you go. There you go, Carol. I know. Oh, now you're back. Carol, you can't keep doing this, my guy. Back. Straight back, Carol. You got in, so you got to be able to get out.
Yep.
Okay, all right, straight back. How'd she get in?
I don't know. She ended up just pulling herself out last time.
But it was just like that, just pushing
Yeah.
straight back?
Yeah.
It's like her jaw.
Her jaw. I know, I feel bad. We gotta figure this out, huh? Then we gotta go get a saw and cut it. Yep. No, Carol. No, Carol. Ralph, you're not helping, buddy. There. Yep. Carol!
This one needed a lot of team cooperation.
There was no need to put your head over here.
Ovdje nešto se promijenilo.
Pa brata, pa to je firma, nije to sad kiosk. Ovo je prava firma.
And now you have to do double the work.
Radi, normalno da sve ide kako treba.
Da. Bome, trebalo je ovo.
When you think you've seen it all, Novella surprises you.
A shortage of poultry.
Turkeys, the underrated farm comedians. Should have left this one to the professionals. Ricky's driving instructor needs an instructor. How to ruin your day in 2 seconds. Good luck explaining this one.
Hey, stop. Oh, Jesus Christ.
This is what trying to leave a toxic relationship looks like.